Why do you say that UFOs are as real as the airplanes flying over our heads?
Well, because I know that they are. And they've been visiting this planet for thousands of years.
Uinta Mountain UFO sighting. A strange UFO sighting over the Uinta Mountains in the USA has left many people questioning what they saw. A small glowing object was observed flying over the mountain, sparking a wave of speculation. The object had a disc-like shape with no visible wings, propellers, or any other structure that would indicate it was a conventional aircraft. It looked similar to a glowing kite, but had no strings or visible means of support, floating effortlessly against the rugged mountain landscape. The UFO moved smoothly through the air in a way that seemed to defy physics. Witnesses were astonished by its silent movement and the absence of any recognizable flight mechanisms. A video capturing the sighting quickly went viral, attracting attention from UFO enthusiasts, skeptics, and curious viewers worldwide. Ice disk. On a frozen river, a massive spinning disk of ice caught everyone's attention. It moved in place, slowly rotating as if controlled by something unseen. Some began to wonder, was this just a natural phenomenon? Or could it be something far more mysterious? OV and orb. In 2016, a fisherman recording at the North Sea captured something strange. At the center of the frame, a dark humanoid figure appeared to be suspended in the air. When he zoomed in, he noticed a white orb behind it. Moments later, what seemed to be a portal appeared, and both the orb and the figure gradually vanished. The footage sparked speculation, leaving many unsettled by the idea that aliens could already be among us. Orb being chased. While out on his bike, a man spotted a black orb moving overhead. The sight itself was eerie, but what made it even more unsettling was a jet following at high speed, seemingly in pursuit. He managed to record the event and uploaded the footage online, triggering intense speculation. Some suggested it was part of a military operation to take down unidentified crafts, but the real story behind the clip remains unknown. Drone footage. Mystery. A drone captured something unusual on a beach. A group of people gathered around a strange, washed-up body. It looked like a half-decayed carcass, leading some to believe it was the remains of an alien that had crashed in a UFO. The footage sparked interest among extraterrestrial enthusiasts, though skeptics suggested it was likely the remains of a sea creature. Space mystery.
Investigations are underway this hour into a huge object that's washed up on a remote beach in WA.
A massive metallic object washed up on a remote beach in Western Australia, leaving locals puzzled. Its golden exterior led to speculation that it might be debris from a missing aircraft. However, further investigation revealed it was actually space junk, likely a fuel tank from a rocket launched in the past year. Despite this explanation, some skeptics still believe it could be linked to extraterrestrial activity.
Appears to be a possible fuel tank from a rocket that was being launched in the last 12 months.
Firework. Footage captured over the ocean showed a glowing white object moving through the sky. Suddenly, it turned into a yellow orb, plunged into the water, and exploded into sparks. While it resembled fireworks, the event took an unexpected turn when a triangular-shaped UFO briefly appeared above the area before vanishing. Viewers debated whether this was genuine alien activity or just an elaborate hoax. UFO fleet. a man standing on a cliff recorded what appeared to be a fleet of saucer-shaped objects emerging from behind another cliff. The footage showed them moving in sync, leading to speculation about their origins. Some believed they were new military crafts undergoing testing, while others thought they could be part of a secret government project. The video sparked debate, as the objects did not resemble any known aircraft, adding to the ongoing mystery. Unknown. Carcass. A strange carcass washed up on a beach at night, leaving those who saw it stunned. Its pale, almost ghostly skin gave it an eerie appearance, and its long, sharp teeth made it look even more unusual. Its limbs were stretched in a way that didn't seem natural, and onlookers noticed features they couldn't recognize. Some believed it was a deep-sea creature, while others thought it might have extraterrestrial origins. With no clear explanation, the discovery left people wondering whether it was an undiscovered species or something beyond this world. Glowing sand.
Whoa, check out this bioluminescent algae in the sand.
A group of friends hanging out on a California beach stumbled upon something unexpected. With every step they took, the sand beneath them glowed an electric blue. Mesmerized, they recorded the moment, and the video quickly went viral. The glow wasn't an illusion. It came from bioluminescent algae in the sand. These tiny organisms emit light when disturbed, creating a scene that looked like something out of a movie. The sight left both the group and countless viewers amazed at nature's hidden wonders. Beach discovery. A man testing his new metal detector on the beach got a strong signal from something buried underground. After digging, he uncovered a silver sphere and shared the discovery online, calling it a metallic orb. However, viewers were unimpressed, with most dismissing it as nothing more than a disco ball rather than anything unusual. Okinawa Beach.
As for whether it's possible to swim here, it's impossible.
Swimming here wasn't an option. In November 2021, a beach in Okinawa, Japan, was covered in pumice, small, spongy volcanic rocks, making it nearly impossible to walk along the shore. A Japanese artist captured the scene in a video, showing just how much of the material had washed up. Experts linked the pumice to underwater volcanic activity, but no one expected it to arrive in such overwhelming amounts. The stones posed risks to both visitors and local wildlife, turning the beach into an unusual and unexpected landscape. UFO or cloud?
What is this? What is it? Oh!
A group sailing on a boat spotted something strange in the sky. A cloud-like object that didn't move like a regular cloud. It hovered and swayed unnaturally, unaffected by the wind. Unlike anything they had seen before, the object sparked speculation. Some thought it could be a UFO or something out of the ordinary. With no clear explanation, the mystery remains unsolved, leaving those who witnessed it wondering what they had just seen.
What?
Historic site. Along a Louisiana lake shore, the water suddenly receded, revealing something unexpected: a pyramid. Unlike a random rock formation, this structure had a perfectly shaped design that stood out from the surrounding landscape. Some believed it could be linked to an ancient civilization, while others speculated about hidden forces at play. Whether it was a lost historical site or something more mysterious, its sudden appearance sparked curiosity and left people searching for answers. Orange Beach discovery.
Onlookers flocked to see a large object that floated on shore today in Orange Beach.
A large object washed ashore in Orange Beach, drawing a crowd of curious onlookers. Some speculated it could be a treasure chest, or even a coffin.
I think it's straight treasure chest.
While others worried it might be hazardous. Authorities were called in.
I thought treasure chest, I thought maybe a coffin. I was hoping they'd open it up, but I didn't know.
And after nearly an hour of effort, they pulled the 6-foot-long object from the water. Its true identity remained uncertain, but officials suspected it could be a boat or dock bumper. While not the thrilling discovery some had hoped for, it still left many eager for answers. Special equipment was planned to help identify the object.
Officials carry the object off the beach. They say they won't know exactly what it is until they get machinery to pick it up tomorrow.
Floating creature.
There's millions of them.
At Koh Samui Beach, a man noticed something unusual in the water. A shimmering, jelly-like figure just beneath the surface. Curious, he reached in, and as he dipped his hand into the water, a tiny, transparent creature appeared. Its glass-like body made it nearly invisible, adding to the mystery. Was it a rare marine species, or something previously unknown? The encounter fascinated both the man and those nearby, leaving them in awe of the ocean's hidden wonders.
If you look closely, you can see it breathing.
Mysterious object on the beach. In 2021, visitors at a beach in China reported seeing a strange, unidentified object. When experts arrived, they found something massive, so large that authorities had to bring in a crane to remove it. Some locals believed it was part of an alien invasion, with extraterrestrials setting up secret underwater bases. Others speculated it might be linked to a classified government project. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Ocean chase. A group of tourists caught something unusual on camera. A dark, heavy object was rising from the ocean when, suddenly, a jet flew over it. As the object submerged, a bright blue circular light appeared on the water's surface. But this wasn't the only sighting. In another clip, people on board a boat filmed 2 fighter jets chasing a UFO over the sea. Just as they started recording, the UFO dove into the water. Some speculated that the military was trying to take down a spacecraft, while others suggested that a portal might have been opening in the ocean and the UFO was making an escape. Off the coast of Miami, a man recorded another strange event. He captured 4 bright orange objects hovering over the water. When the video went online, some believed they were extraterrestrial orbs preparing to land, while skeptics dismissed them as drones. Triangular UFOs. A few months ago, a video surfaced showing a triangular UFO emerging from the sea, rotating at the surface for a few seconds before shooting into the sky. Was it an alien spacecraft, or was someone playing an elaborate prank? Another clip posted by an anonymous user showed 3 glowing blue orbs appearing from different directions above the ocean. As they formed a triangular pattern, a sharp red beam appeared at the center before the entire formation flew away, leaving behind more questions than answers. Mystery washed ashore.
Spherical object has washed up on a beach in southern Japan. A local in Hamamatsu discovered the object during a walk.
A large spherical object appeared on a beach in southern Japan, discovered by a local in Hamamatsu during a walk. Measuring about 1.5 meters wide and made of iron, it quickly drew the attention of emergency crews. Authorities restricted the area and conducted an X-ray scan, which found nothing hazardous inside. The object's origin remains unknown, with theories ranging from it being a giant fishing sinker to a possible Banksy art piece.
Maybe he's a big sinker. Maybe a Banksy project. I don't know.
Massive blob. A group of beachgoers came across something unexpected. A massive blob washed up on the shore. Its surface was covered in unusual circular patterns, immediately drawing their attention. It didn't resemble anything commonly found along the coastline, leading to speculation. Some thought it might be a deep-sea creature brought in by the tide, while others considered a more unusual possibility. Could it be something from beyond Earth? Whatever it was, its strange appearance left everyone wondering if they had encountered something unexplainable. Mysterious green light. Two friends walking by a river captured something strange, a green light swirling on the water's surface. Initially, they dismissed it as a laser beam, but its movement made them question whether it could be a UFO emerging from the water or an unknown natural phenomenon. Despite many guesses, no one has been able to explain the clip. Flying disc. It looks like UFOs aren't just appearing in the sky anymore. They're now flying over the water. A woman walking along the beach saw a glowing orange disc hovering above the sea. The footage was short, making it difficult to determine its origin. While some thought it was an obvious hoax, others were convinced there was more to the story. Illuminating orbs. In 2008, a group in Turkey captured footage of a glowing orb hovering in the air. At first, they assumed it was a satellite, but upon zooming in, they noticed it sparkled in an unusual way. When the clip surfaced online, many dismissed it, assuming it was nothing out of the ordinary. Skeptics wrote it off, but recently, a similar clip began circulating. This time, a small ball-like object was seen hovering over the ocean. Some speculated it could be a UFO, while others thought it was just a camera glitch. Either way, the footage raised questions about where the object came from.
Das ist kein Riesenrad, das ist im Wasser drinne.
Saucer-shaped surprise. A man on a river trip spotted a huge saucer-shaped object near the shore. At first, he thought aliens were taking over the planet. But when he touched it, the doors opened, and he stepped inside to find no extraterrestrials at all. It turned out he had actually built a boat designed to look like a flying saucer, and it worked just as planned. After seeing this, many people started wondering if some UFO sightings might have simpler explanations than they initially thought. Hiding ship. While driving along the Han River in Korea, a man spotted something unusual in the sky. Behind thick clouds, a massive, shadowy figure stretched across the horizon. Its shape didn't match anything he had seen before, resembling a giant craft hovering in the air. As the cloud shifted, the object seemed to blend seamlessly into the sky, making it impossible to identify. Some thought it could be an optical illusion, while others believed it might be advanced technology hidden in plain sight. The sighting left people wondering what might be lurking above. Underwater base. While out at sea, people witnessed something they couldn't explain. A saucer-shaped craft suddenly emerged from beneath the water. It rose slowly, hovered for a moment, then darted off into the sky. Those on board were left in shock, unsure of what they had just seen. The sight was unusual enough on its own, but then another video surfaced. A group on a cruise ship saw something similar. A sudden splash in the water, followed by a metallic, saucer-shaped craft emerging before vanishing. Some believed these could be secret military projects, while others were convinced they had just witnessed something extraterrestrial. Bubbling sand. A man at the beach captured a bizarre sight, sand bubbling as if it were alive. Others quickly shared their own videos of the same phenomenon, sparking curiosity about what could cause it. Scientists explain that this effect happens when trapped air or gas escapes from beneath the surface, often triggered by tidal movement or pressure changes. While the explanation is straightforward, the sight remains captivating for those who witness it. Massive impact. At Silver Beach in Toms River, sisters Jean and Shannon Yannick discovered a 5-foot-wide crater with a black, burnt-smelling rock at the bottom. They shared the find online, leading some to speculate it was a meteorite, possibly linked to a fireball spotted along the East Coast days earlier. Experts, however, dismissed the meteorite theory, suggesting the object might be a chunk of coal shaped by ocean waves. With no definitive answer, the discovery remains a topic of debate among locals.
What? Could this be a meteorite? This is crazy.
Rusty Dome.
A mysterious object found on a beach, Staten Island, and it has people wondering, what is it?
A woman walking along a Staten Island beach in April 2016 came across a massive, rust-covered metal object that looked like a dome. Its unusual shape stood out against the landscape, and it quickly became a local sensation. Videos of the discovery spread online, leading to wild speculation. Some believed it was an alien craft, while others thought it could be an old piece of maritime equipment. Though some experts suggested it might have been a large cooking pot from an old ship, its exact origins remain uncertain.
Well, several people reached out to weigh in on what this mystery object could be. Some ideas include a type of pot used on an old ship.
Prehistoric egg. On a quiet shore in Japan, a massive object was discovered, leaving those who saw it stunned. Its surface was covered in intricate patterns, making it even more puzzling. The size and markings sparked theories that it could be something straight out of a science fiction movie. Some even speculated that it might be a Godzilla egg, washed ashore by some unknown force. While the true origin of the object remains a mystery, the idea of Godzilla's return caught the public's attention, turning the discovery into a local legend. Mystery remains. While walking along the beach on Ilha Comprida, a couple stumbled upon an object resembling a skeletal hand. Its long, thin fingers looked unlike anything human, immediately catching their attention. They examined it closely, unsure if it was something natural or something far stranger. Online, theories emerged, with some believing it could be an alien relic that washed ashore. With no clear explanation, the object's true origin remains unknown. Coming back to life. A mysterious skeleton was found on a beach in Qingdao, China, capturing the curiosity of those who saw it. The massive skull and long row of bones stretched across the sand, resembling something out of a legend. Its unusual structure reminded many of ancient dragon myths, reigniting old stories about mythical creatures. Ball of light. In Florida, a man filming a lightning storm noticed something unusual when he slowed down the footage. A strange object zipped across the sky, moving at an incredible speed. It had a long cylindrical shape, almost like a cigar. Some believed it could be an advanced drone, while others thought it might be something from beyond Earth. Lying Dutchman. In 2012, a video went viral showing fishermen at sea claiming to witness ships floating in mid-air. Some thought they had seen the legendary Flying Dutchman, a ghost ship doomed to wander the seas forever. As more people shared similar clips, the mystery deepened. Eventually, the explanation came to light. It was a fata morgana, a type of mirage that bends light in a way that makes ships appear as if they're hovering above the water. While the ships were still sailing like any other vessel, the illusion made them look almost supernatural from a distance. Blue glow. Off the coast of Petersburg, a strange blue glow appeared beneath the water, catching the attention of a local man. He suspected it might be a UFO hidden beneath the waves and decided to stay and watch. For hours, he waited, hoping to see something resurface. But as time passed, the glow faded, leaving behind nothing but questions. Was it an underwater craft, or was there another explanation? The mystery remained unsolved. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.